So welcome back to a long awaited video. As you can tell by the title, this is going to be making a Roblox FPS game part 4. I know it's been a while since you guys have heard my voice. If you guys have missed me, make sure to drop a comment down below. Today is also my birthday, although this video is probably gonna go up tomorrow, so it'll be a day late. And I want to thank all you guys for the birthday wishes. I really appreciate that. As you can see on my screen, it says Redux early testing. Now what does early testing mean? Redux is not currently in a public/official testing phase, but users are able to test the current iteration and framework. So there's actually a small little paid access fee. It's only 25 Robux. So we're not officially testing yet, and but you guys are still able to try it out for yourself if you would like to pay the small access fee. So the link is going to be down below. If you guys want to keep track with our progress, I highly encourage you to follow us on Twitter and also join the Discord, and you will receive all of the latest news regarding this project. Now throughout this video or later on, I'm gonna show you guys some clips of some recent gameplay, just me and some friends playing. I'm gonna hop into studio and show you guys some new guns and some new stuff that we are working on. Alright, so here we are, and you can see this right here is actually the Magnum 2.0. If you recall, the first Magnum is still in the game obviously, but this is a new revolver style pistol. As you can see, this one is different from the Magnum that you see right here, newer version. And I'm also going to show a clip of the animation on the screen. So if you guys see the little flip and the inspect, I think this will be a crazy smooth weapon. I think that would be really satisfying to use once it is in game. So I'm gonna move up. I'm gonna show you guys. This is the gold Camel. This is the gold skin of this Magnum. So basically how skins are gonna work in Redux is, if we go over here, you see from here it goes from copper to silver, gold, and platinum, and every single gun will have this progression, and these skins are going to be unlockable. So that's basically how it's going to work. If we go to the BPX2, you can see the copper, silver, gold, and platinum right here, as well as the sniper. If we go over here, here's the little bundle of lava skins. We have the MK shotgun, BPX2, the Magnum 1, the Dashlander / Uzi, and the nobles. Let's go over here. Here are some. This is called the Ultimate Gold bundle right here. You see some tech skins. I'm pretty sure I showed this in the last videos, unless I haven't, which you guys can see now. Alright, so we're back here. Here is a new rifle, the AN-958. This is the gold, as you can see. You go over very slowly. This is the Vector style gun, the AX-556, as you can see. I think this one is personally my favorite so far. This gun also has animations I'm going to show on the screen as well. But I think this one is super sick. Here is the new sniper right here. This is a very heavy one, as you can tell by the design. So this is the base gun. I'm gonna go up. Here's a little lava skin. Right here is like a fish scale on the skin, as you can see. This one looks super cool. Right here we have a variation of the bottom one, like this. Here we have the gold, and this is the platinum. This has to be my favorite platinum skin so far because of the gun's design. As you can see, the model and these shapes just look really nice. There's just like a little rose gold version, if you guys like that. Over here is just some variations of the Vector style gun. Here's a little black and white. We have the gold and platinum here as well, and this is also really cool. This right here, this one I don't really like, but yeah. Now I'm going to finally head into the gameplay, as you guys have been waiting for. So yeah, let's go. Here we are loading into Redux, early testing, loading assets. So if you do decide to purchase the game right now to test, this is what you're going to enter into. You get a little message. I'm just gonna skip. So yeah, we have gotten our first official map. It's called Midtown. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like. Let's skip again. Alright, if you guys are ready, I'm gonna hit deploy. And as you can see, here we are inside Midtown. I don't want to make this video too long, or else it's gonna get really boring. So in the next part, I'm gonna show you guys a walkthrough of the entire map. Right here, you can see some buildings. Right here, you can slide. Really cool. Let's go up here. Aim, slide. You can slide cancel like that. Alright, so right here on the stairs, for example, if you slide, you can stop and aim, right? So like this. Like that. Slide, stop, aim. So you don't have to prolong your slide like that. Or you can if you want to. You could do a longer slide like this. But you can stop it and aim. Slide and stop. Slide and stop. Cancel your slide. So you can mix in some movement, some jumps, like this, slide, aim. As you can see, slide here. Here we go. If you hit Y, if you hit I on your keyboard, you can inspect your gun. Keep in mind, some guns don't have the inspect. So right here, boom, we have the black hole grenade. As you can see, it pulses like so. Pretty cool. So you can use this to zone out the enemies. And obviously we have our super. Alright, that's gonna do it for this part. Like I said, the game link is going to be down below in the description if you guys would like to check it out. Also, feel free to join our Discord if you would like to stay updated with this project's development. With that being said, I really appreciate you guys for watching. I hope to see you guys in the next one. Peace out.